Hey Sparks, and hello to my new viewers. My name is Montina Young Portis, and my mission with this channel is to inspire, educate, and share information that helps you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe. All right, so I'm talking about banking relationships, but in this video, I actually have my notes here. Let me see here. I want you to think about and know what a bank offers. So actually I have here, I'm gonna bring my notes over here. So know which bank offers what, lines of credits, credit cards, term loans. So I will tell you that it's important. There are some banks that are like, yeah, we'll give you a line of credit. So I just recently was approved for a line of credit with Woodforest National Bank. You want to make sure that you're getting some traditional lines of credit. Cabbage, On Deck, Funding Box, Fund Circle, kind of those blue vine lendings, those are non-traditional lending sources. So at some point, you want to have traditional lines as well. Also, you want to know PNC Bank is very friendly when it comes to small business credit cards. I got 2 credit cards within 30 days of opening an account there. That was fantastic. And then you want to know there are other banks that are really good for loans. And so again, it's different banks, they kind of operate differently. So wherever you are in the world really, but I'm talking specifically in the United States of America, North America, you want to think about your banking relationship. So PNC is a Pittsburgh, I believe, national bank, but they're in the Southeast. What bank is in the Northeast? What bank is in the Northwest or Southwest? That's where you want to build your relationship and really ask them those questions. When you're sitting down, they're kind of just taking your information, interview them. If you're in business, you need access to capital. So you want to start asking them, are they friendly towards small businesses? And, do they have signature authority? What's the line of credit? Do they have, what products do they offer? So those are all things that are really key and really important. So I'll let you know, PNC's great credit cards, Woodforest National Bank lines of credit, over 600 credit scores, all you need. They're very friendly towards small businesses. Who else do I have? I'm thinking good banking relationships. Chase. If you got great credit, Chase is really the way to go. They will give you a lot of products. They give you a lot of support through their business relationship experts. I don't know what they call them because I don't really bank there because I can't get a product there right now, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, y'all. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.